So today guys, I'm going to be doing a teeth whitening product review on this product right here. It's 100% natural activated organic charcoal, and it came with those two brushes that you see here. I got mine on AliExpress. You can get yours there as well if you don't mind waiting a few weeks, but you can also find the similar products on Amazon as well. It's a whitener plus detoxifier, and it contains 30 grams of product. I must say it's a little weird to have you guys all up in my grill like this. But yeah, I'm going to try this out on camera to let you guys see what the process is all about. So right here, I'm just going to get a little water on my toothbrush and get some of the product on here. And then I'm going to get started. But first, guess I'm just showing you my natural hair right here. Alright, so let's go. Be very careful guys, because this product can get a little messy. And as for the taste, it just tastes like charcoal. It's not flavored or anything. And you have to brush your teeth again afterwards with toothpaste. Sorry about the little towel slippage action going on right here. But yeah, this is what my teeth is looking like afterwards. So this is a week after using it guys. I did see a little bit of improvement. I feel like if you're looking for instant results, this is not the product. You have to use it for a few days, for at least a week, for you to notice some results. The first day I didn't really see anything much, but after a week it still could take some more whitening. I'm gonna continue using it, but because I'm looking for something to work a little bit faster, I'm gonna try something else, and I might still use this for maintenance purposes though. But yeah, this is the results. I feel like if you have already whitened your teeth and you're looking for something just to help maintain the process, help to maintain it, this product is a good product to use for maintenance. It's natural, and so if it's for health reasons, or you're just looking for something that's on a healthier route to use, you could try this as well. It takes a little bit longer to work, but you will see some results eventually. But if you have already whitened your teeth and you're looking for something to help maintain it, you can use this product for maintenance purposes. Okay guys, all right, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.